Packing cubes have become pretty controversial. A lot of travelers think that they're a waste of space and money. We think they make staying organized while traveling much easier. And the best kind even help you save space in your bag. In this video, we're going to talk about some packing cubes we love, as well as helpful features to consider. You know we have some thoughts, so let's get into it. A lot of cubes come in a set, but Eagle Creek's bundles give you more variety than just size. They offer a mix of features like compression and clean and dirty compartments. We like their Isolate cubes best. Each set has a different combination of these small and medium cubes in different styles, and some also include a shoe pouch. Just be sure to read what's included carefully so you know what features the cubes have in your preferred set. Overall, the sizing is super versatile. We fit 4 pairs of travel pants and a pair of shorts in the medium compression cube. You can pack even more into the medium clean and dirty cube, though it lacks compression and will occupy more space in your luggage. Meanwhile, we're able to squeeze 3 shirts and a dress into the small compression cube, and we like that the thin 70D recycled nylon doesn't get in the way of the zipper or take up space inside the cube like thicker materials can. Whether you invest in a set or buy them individually, the Eagle Creek Packet Isolate cubes are available in a ton of sizes, styles, and colors. You might want to stock up once you find your favorite though. Eagle Creek often changes their stock, making it difficult to find specific sizes and colors outside of a bundle package. If your priority is saving some cash, check out these sets from Amazon Essentials. You can get a set of 4 for just 15 bucks and even less when they're on sale. They're made from ripstop polyester with mesh tops so you can see what's inside and your clothing can air out. While the zippers aren't from brands we recognize and feel a little bit cheap, our staff writer Eric has used the same set for more than 2 years without issue. There's no specialized features like compression or clean and dirty compartments, but you can choose different colors, shapes, and sizes to fit into your bag. We like the combo that gives you one of each size. 4 pairs of travel pants fit in the large, 5 tops in the medium, and a dress and shorts in the slim with space to spare. We use the small for socks and underwear since it's too little for much else. You can't get the cubes outside of a set of 4 or 8, so you may end up with more than you need. However, the prices are so low, so even if you have to buy 2 sets to get the combo you need, you're still probably saving money compared to other sets on this list. The Peak Design packing cubes only come in a couple of sizes, but the compression is the best we've tested. This is my personal favorite packing cube that I've been using on trips for years now, and I just haven't found something better even though we test a ton of these every year. The 70D nylon polyester blend material is super thin and flexible, and the mesh material used for the expansion doesn't take up valuable space in the cube. It sometimes gets caught in the zipper if you try to compress the cube when it's overstuffed, but that's easy to avoid once you get the hang of it. Along with compression, there are pockets in the back where you can move your dirty clothing. These packing cubes traditionally come in small and medium, and they recently added smedium. Like the name suggests, it's the in-between size. Get it? Small, medium, and smedium. Some brands can pigeonhole themselves by naming sizes too soon, but Peak Design found a way around it. However, since packing cube sizes aren't standardized, what you can fit inside varies. In this case, the Peak Design is much larger than the small from Eagle Creek. We fit 2 more t-shirts with space left over if you really wanted to squeeze in something else. Some users find the long and slim design harder to adapt to their clothing. I like it because it's about the length of a rolled up pair of pants, and I guess I'm a bigger dude, so it just makes sense. In comparison, the medium has similar dimensions to Eagle Creek's medium, yet we easily fit a 5th pair of pants inside the Peak Design, which speaks to the flexibility of its materials compared with other options. The smedium, true to its name, can fit a few more tops. We pair a smedium with a small to fit all of our clothing from our digital nomad packing list inside of our bag, nice and neat. Plus, opening the cube is really simple. You can just tear it open. Grab the 2 Hyperlite tabs in the center and pull, and the 2 sides peel apart. The proprietary Peak Design zippers are made in collaboration with Zoom and have lasted us for years, even with repeatedly ripping open the cube. If weight is your biggest concern, get a cube that weighs a fraction of the others on the market. Hyperlite mountain gear cuts ounces without sacrificing durability. The Dyneema fabric is super strong and water resistant, and it looks a bit like a tarp. It's also pretty crinkly and doesn't have much stretch, which isn't great if you're prone to overstuffing your cubes. However, if you're trying to keep your bag under 7 kilograms, then they're worth considering. We've got their smallest version here. We fit 4 shorts, 2 pairs of pants, and a pair of shorts inside. The zipper is pretty centered, so it packs more like a pouch than a traditional cube. That means you'll likely need to layer your gear to make the most of the capacity, so accessing what's on the bottom is a little slower. And since these pods come in 13, 11, and 16 liter options in addition to the 9 liter small, you can carry a lot with you. There are looped cords at either end of the zipper tracks to help you squeeze them shut. And you can write on the Hyperlite mountain gear logo to label what's inside. Otherwise, you'll have to remember which one includes what since you can't see inside like some of the other cubes. Some cubes work better for organization than for saving space. The Minaal Packing Cubes 3.0 are the best tall cubes that we've found. And when we say that, we're referring to the high sides. The style is good if you don't plan to unpack at your destination. The 40D ripstop nylon is incredibly lightweight, but still has enough structure to stay upright as you fill the cubes without limiting the packability. Since the sides won't fall down, you can unload the cubes right into the dresser at your hotel without unpacking them. The rectangular shape fits nicely in a squared off space, and then everything is in one place when you're ready to pack back up. We put pants into the medium cube, then shorts, dress, and a tee into one small cube, and the other tops in the second small cube. The mesh tops add breathability, though the weave is pretty tight, so you can't really see inside. Not a huge deal since the lids are typically open inside of a drawer anyways. If you're less concerned with organization and more just want to fit the most clothing into the least amount of space, it's time to bust out the vacuum. The Ekster TravelPack vacuum kit takes a different approach to packing, but it works well, and also fast. Check it out. We put all the clothing we've been using throughout this video inside of this cube. That's 4 pairs of pants, a pair of shorts, 5 shirts, and a dress. And there is still room for more, which is kind of the point. Put it inside your bag, pack the 19.5 liter cube up, and suck all the air out. This flattens your clothing more than a traditional compression cube that relies on a zipper. However, the perimeter doesn't change, so this large cube is best paired with a large travel backpack or carry-on luggage. You can also get the vacuum kit in a larger plus size. However, we can't imagine needing that much capacity for most trips. They're pretty pricey, but they're more sturdy than other vacuum cubes we tried, and you can save on multiple cubes if you order them in bundles. We also see them on sale pretty often. On the plus side, the kit includes a rechargeable air pump that's about the size of a travel bottle, though you can use another vacuum if you want. A charge lasts 15 to 20 uses, and it recharges via USB-C if you're going to be traveling for a while. There are a few things to watch out for. The super strong nylon closes with an airtight zipper, but it's still stiff to open and close. We accidentally caught a shirt in the zipper, which created a hole in the hem when we opened it back up. The extra effort also makes it less suitable for those with dexterity issues. However, if you think vacuum packing is worth it for the space savings, then this cube is great to try. If you've ever opened a gym bag you forgot to unpack, then you know how important it is for clothing to breathe. That's where mesh packing cubes come in handy. They allow your clothing to air out between wears. The Cotopaxi Cubo Expandable Packing Cube set is made entirely of lightweight recycled mesh. That means that everything can air out, not just whatever's on top. Plus, the top portion of each cube compresses. It comes in a 6 liter and a 12 liter size, and while we wish there were smaller cubes available, we packed all the gear we've been using throughout this video inside and still had space to spare. We put the travel pants, shorts, and the dress in the larger cube and all the tops in the smaller cube. Both were easy to compress. We like that these cubes have a different color cord on the compression zipper so you know which one to grab to compress or open them. The top handles are on the lid of each cube, so they're easy to pull out when laying flat in your bag, though they're less accessible if you stand them up on their side. Luckily, the mesh material isn't super slippery compared to some of the nylons on this list, so it's just easier to grab by hand too, not even using the handle. If you like keeping your clean and dirty clothes separate for a trip, then you'll like this Thule cube. The flexible TPU divider keeps odors and dampness from seeping over to the other side. Even without compression, we fit all 5 shirts, the shorts, and a dress, and 3 pairs of travel pants inside. It requires some layering, but that's pretty impressive for one cube, especially since it lacks compression and the TPU divider takes up extra space. However, we like that the divider flexes easily to give you the same amount of space on each side. You might need 2 of these cubes to make it through longer trips though, or you can pair it with a smaller packing cube from another brand. Obviously, your mileage may vary depending on the size and style of your clothing. In our test, we weren't trying to squeeze in hoodies or jeans. Still, we've tested other clean and dirty cubes with the same footprint that held much less. The corded pulls and the YKK zippers make it easy to close even when tightly packed, and the nylon material is very durable. We also like that you can wipe the TPU clean between trips if you're a more adventurous traveler. We have no doubt these cubes will last for years, especially since they're the go-to pick from some members of our team. If extra durability is what you're after, check out the black hole cubes from Patagonia. They weigh more than the other cubes in this video, but if durability is your main concern, give these a look. The exterior is a 300D post-consumer recycled polyester ripstop with a post-industrial recycled TPU film laminate. Did you get all that? Inside, there's a 200D recycled polyester lining with a PU coating. Basically, that just makes the entire cube easy to wipe clean, and it's durable. The cubes are sold individually in 3, 6, and 14 liter versions, and each is a little different inside. The smallest has a recycled polyester mesh pocket to separate your socks from your underwear. Some people even use it as a toiletry bag instead. The medium and large open clamshell. Pack each side and then zip up the mesh compartments before closing the cube. The black hole cubes are much larger than other options we've covered. In fact, all the clothing we've put into multiple other cubes fit into the 14 liter large. However, one side of the large has a solid panel instead of mesh. That means you can use it for damp gear, dirty items, or shoes. If you do, the tops fit into the medium rather than the other half of the large. While the black hole cubes don't have any compression, the materials are so sturdy that you can really stuff them full without worrying about the zippers breaking or the fabric tearing. We have no issue fitting everything we need for a week or two into the medium and large, saving these small for airport essentials to grab in flight. Just be sure to weigh your bag before flying a budget airline, as these cubes could put you over the weight limit. So those are the packing cubes that we like best. Did we include your favorite? Let us know down in the comments below. Thanks for keeping it here at Pack Hacker, your guide to smarter travel, and we'll see you in the next one.